You recording? Yep. Right, action. Right. Super quick one this time. Shouldn't be very long at all. I'm going to do some fried sage leaves. Just made a fennel and asparagus salad. Link to that up here. And then I'm going to do a pork chop thing. I'll put a link up there as well, but I think I only link to one video. Fried sage leaves, a cool little garnish. Crispy little garnish. Tastes alright as well if you like sage. So we've got saucepan, no we haven't got frying pan, do anything in it, with some hot oil, vegetable oil, enough to cover the bottom. We're not deep frying, just enough to, I mean the leaves only a couple of mil thick anyway. So we're just going to pop these in there. What you want is, these are only going to take seconds, right? Run out of kitchen roll, so I'm using a tea towel, but you want something to take these out of once they're cooked. So they should start sizzling as soon as they go in. You want to have pulled off the woody, stalky bit as well, just because that won't fry up very well. Just get them all. If you've got any big leaves, they might need a flip, but smaller ones, you probably find out they don't even need turning. They will ever so slightly brown. Some of them will curl right up, but that first one, you see it's starting to just brown a little bit around the edges, and as is this one, and that one. That, fried sage leaves. Right, smell really nice. They will infuse the oil with a bit of flavour as well. What you don't want to do is pat them, because they'll crisp up, and you'll crush them into. See, they're, I don't know if you can tell really, but they're crispy. If you pat them dry, you'll crush them. But they're a lovely little garnish. Oh, see, crispy. Lovely crispy little garnish. Just, you can crumble them up if you want, put them on stuff, but I like them whole. Whack them on top. There you go. Crispy fried sage leaves.